Want to help me bury a body? It's not fair that Antigone gets to go to heaven while Polynesius is just like laying on the ground rotten.
That's illegal.
True.
I have no strength for that.
Fine. I'm gonna go be a good sister and bury Polynesius, and you can just be here, I guess.
You're gonna get arrested.
I know.
Go.
Action.
Hey, definitely not me, but someone did bury your nephew Polynesius, but it wasn't me, so. Are you kidding me? I'm the king! I made the law! It wasn't me, I didn't do it, I don't know what I didn't do it! Alright, if you didn't do it, then who did? Obviously someone was paid to do it, because people do anything for money. Find out who did it. What if I say no? Feel like dying today? What are you doing with my niece? You told me to bring in the person that buried Polynesius. Antigone?
Sorry, not sorry.
I have to kill my niece?
You know what? I don't even care. The God said that it was okay. I have no regrets. At least one of us is going to heaven.
So I'm guessing is Mamie helped? Props! So, did you help your sister?
Yeah.
Did you though?
If you're gonna kill her, you have to kill me.
You didn't do anything. You're not going to heaven. One world approved your wisdom, another mine.
Did you do it or not? God, I hate this family.
You're gonna kill your son's fiance?
Decisions. My son won't want to marry a criminal anyway.
Are you kidding me? You're gonna kill my fiance? But I love her.
It's for the best.
Bet.
Why is it always about money?
Oh my gosh, please tell me I was adopted.
I wish you were.
Oh! If she dies, so do I.
Just shut up and go do your homework. I don't know if I can kill my niece.
Yeah, I feel.
Well, what if I just lock her up so I don't have to kill her, the starvation does?
Hey, keeping up with the Kardashians is on.
We need to talk about this.
Let's go. You could get into the future. You might think life would be a breeze.
I've had a vision. Let Antigone go.
But I don't wanna!
An eye for an eye, a corpse for a corpse.
What?
Let Antigone go.
Okay.
She's dead. You killed her.
She killed herself!
They're throwing hands.
Come at me, bro. Oh my god. Heyman, you're so stupid! I'm all alone.
Hey Catherine, will you describe what we're doing right now?
We're gonna go bury Lindy.
Where are we burying her, Ashley?
In an active constructive zone.
Yep. This is 100% legal, ladies and gentlemen.
I need to get some good dirt. Hold on.
Have you done this before, Catherine?
Yep.
Then don't come out.
Over here.
You probably won't want to. We're probably gonna get arrested, so.
Okay.
I caught it.
It's a good thing you're not an actual murderer. Oh.
She's dead. You killed her.
She killed herself!
That was so awful. I don't even know how to say how awful that was. Action.
Hey, definitely not me, but someone buried Polynesius, your nephew, but it wasn't me, so. Are you kidding me? I'm the king. I made the law.
What's your next line?
No.
Action!
You're funny. So.
I'm a director, what can I say?
Definitely not me, but someone totally just buried your nephew, but it definitely wasn't me, so. Oh, kidding!
She has to walk in!
Are you kidding me? You're gonna kill my fiance, but I love her.
It's for the best.
Bet.
Why is it always about money?
Please tell me I was adopted.
I wish you were.
Oh! I thought we were doing it!
It's okay, bro. I like it.